Hey there, Money Mavens! Welcome to Ace Wealth Raiser, where we will be diving into all things related to the world of finance, economics, and business. Whether you are a seasoned investor or just a beginner learning the ropes, we've got something for you. From breaking down the latest market trends to decoding complex financial concepts, we are here to help you level up your financial game. Passive income is a great way to earn money without putting in constant effort or time. In this discussion, we explore 10 different passive income ideas for 2023. These include investing in dividend stocks, creating and selling digital products, rental income from property and vehicles, affiliate marketing, and more. Additionally, we discuss crypto staking, peer-to-peer lending, and royalties from intellectual property such as music and book royalties. These passive income ideas offer potential for long-term financial growth and stability, making them worthwhile considerations for anyone looking to diversify their income streams. So grab a coffee and let's get going. Number 1. Real estate investments. Investing in rental companies is one of the most popular passive income ideas. Real estate investing can generate a consistent stream of rental income, and the value of the property may appreciate over time. For example, single-family home. An individual could purchase a single-family home and rent it out to tenants, generating passive rental income. For example, a person could purchase a $300,000 single-family home and rent it out for $2,500 per month. After accounting for expenses such as property taxes, insurance, and maintenance costs, the net rental income could be around $500 to $1,000 per month. Multi-unit apartment building. An individual or group could purchase a multi-unit apartment building and rent out each unit, generating passive rental income. For example, a group could purchase a 10-unit apartment building for $2 million and rent out each unit for $1,500 per month. After accounting for expenses such as property taxes, insurance, and maintenance costs, the net rental income could be around $5,000 to $10,000 per month. Vacation rental property. An individual could purchase a vacation rental property in a popular tourist destination and rent it out to vacationers, generating passive rental income. For example, a person could purchase a $500,000 vacation rental property and rent it out for $3,500 per week during peak season. After accounting for expenses such as property management, utilities, and maintenance costs, the net rental income could be around $1,000 to $2,000 per week. Number 2. Dividend stocks. Investing in dividend stocks can provide a steady stream of income through dividends paid out by companies to shareholders. For example, blue chip stocks. Blue chip stocks are stocks of well-established and financially sound companies with a long history of paying dividends. For example, a person could invest in blue chip stocks such as Coca-Cola, Procter & Gamble, or Johnson & Johnson, which typically pay out dividends on a quarterly basis. A person could purchase $100,000 worth of blue chip stocks and potentially earn around $2,500 in annual dividend income, depending on the dividend yield. Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. ETFs are a type of investment fund that holds a basket of stocks or other assets. There are ETFs that focus on dividend-paying stocks, such as the iShares Select Dividend ETF or the SPDR S&P Dividend ETF. A person could invest $50,000 in a dividend-focused ETF and potentially earn around $1,500 in annual dividend income, depending on the dividend yield. Number 3. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms allow individuals to lend money to others in exchange for interest payments, providing a passive income stream. For example, Lending Club. Lending Club is a peer-to-peer lending platform that allows individuals to invest in loans and earn interest on their investments. A person could invest $10,000 in a diversified portfolio of loans on Lending Club and potentially earn around 4 to 6% in annual interest income, depending on the creditworthiness of the borrowers. Prosper. Prosper is another peer-to-peer lending platform that allows individuals to invest in loans and earn interest on their investments. A person could invest $5,000 in a diversified portfolio of loans on Prosper and potentially earn around 5 to 7% in annual interest income, depending on the creditworthiness of the borrowers. Number 4. High-yield savings. High-yield savings accounts offer interest rates that are typically higher than traditional savings accounts. allowing for passive income from interest earned. For example, Marcus by Goldman Sachs. Marcus by Goldman Sachs is an online bank that offers a high-yield savings account with an annual percentage yield or APY of 0.50% as of May 2023. A person could deposit $50,000 in a high-yield savings account with Marcus by Goldman Sachs and potentially earn around $250 in annual interest income. Ally Bank. Ally Bank is another online bank that offers a high-yield savings account with an APY of 0.50% as of May 2023. A person could deposit $25,000 in a high-yield savings account with Ally Bank and potentially earn around $125 in annual interest income. Synchrony Bank. Synchrony Bank is a third online bank that offers a high-yield savings account with an APY of 0.50% as of May 2023. A person could deposit $10,000 in a high-yield savings account with Synchrony Bank and potentially earn around $50 in annual interest income. Number 5. Rental income from vehicles. Peer-to-peer car-sharing platforms allow individuals to earn passive income by renting out their vehicles to others. For example, renting out a car. A person could purchase a vehicle such as a van or an SUV and rent it out to people who need a larger vehicle for a short period of time, such as for a family vacation or moving house. The vehicle could be rented out through a peer-to-peer car rental platform like Turo or Getaround. Depending on the type of vehicle and location, a person could potentially earn several $100s a week in rental income. Renting out a recreational vehicle or RV. A person could purchase an RV and rent it out to people who want to go on a camping trip or road trip. The RV could be rented out through a peer-to-peer RV rental platform like RVshare or Outdoorsy. Depending on the size and features of the RV, a person could potentially earn several $1,000s a month in rental income. Like this video? Click the notification bell for more updates. You can also share, subscribe, and comment down below. Number 6. Affiliate Marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting a product or service and earning a commission on any sales made through your unique affiliate link. Amazon Associates is an affiliate marketing program that allows people to earn commission by promoting Amazon products on their website or social media. A person could sign up for the program, choose a product they want to promote, and create a unique affiliate link. If someone clicks on the link and makes a purchase, the affiliate earns a commission, which typically ranges from 1% to 10% depending on the product category. ClickBank. ClickBank is an online marketplace that connects affiliate marketers with product vendors. A person could sign up for a ClickBank account, choose a product they want to promote, and create a unique affiliate link. If someone clicks on the link and makes a purchase, the affiliate earns a commission, which can range from 30% to 75% of the sale price. Number 7. Digital Products. Selling digital products such as ebooks and templates can generate a passive income stream as they can be created once and sold repeatedly. For example, ebooks. Ebooks are digital products that can be downloaded and read on electronic devices such as smartphones, tablets, and e-readers. A person could write an ebook on a topic they are knowledgeable about, such as cooking, fitness, or personal finance, and sell it online through platforms such as Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or Barnes & Noble Press. Software applications. Software applications or apps are digital products that can be downloaded and used on electronic devices such as smartphones, tablets, and computers. A person could develop a software application such as a mobile game, a productivity tool, or a photo editing app, and sell it through platforms such as Apple App Store, Google Play Store, or Microsoft Store. Number 8. Cryptocurrency staking. Staking cryptocurrency involves holding a certain amount of coins to earn interest or rewards, providing a passive income stream. For example, Ethereum 2.0. Ethereum is a popular blockchain platform that allows developers to build decentralized applications and execute smart contracts. Ethereum is currently in the process of transitioning to a version called Ethereum 2.0, which uses a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. In the POS model, validators are required to stake a certain amount of Ether in order to participate in the network and earn rewards for validating transactions. Cardano. Cardano is a blockchain platform that uses a POS consensus mechanism and allows users to stake their ADA cryptocurrency to earn rewards. Staking on Cardano requires a minimum amount of ADA, and rewards are distributed to stakers on a regular basis. The Cardano network also uses a unique approach to staking called delegation. which allows users to delegate their stake to a pool operator who is responsible for validating transactions on their behalf. Do you have more passive income ideas? Comment down below. Now, back to the video. Number 9. Royalties from intellectual properties. Those who own intellectual property can earn royalties by licensing their property to others for use or reproduction. For example, music royalties. Music royalties are payments made to songwriters, composers, and music publishers for the use of their music. Music royalties can come from various sources such as radio airplay, music streaming services, and live performances. For example, a songwriter could earn royalties for their music being played on a popular music streaming platform such as Spotify or Apple Music. Book royalties. Book royalties are payments made to authors or publishers for the use of their written works. Book royalties can come from various sources, such as book sales, ebook sales, and audiobook sales. For example, an author could earn royalties from the sales of their book on a popular online retailer such as Amazon. Patent royalties. Patent royalties are payments made to inventors or companies that own patents for the use of their inventions. Patent royalties can come from various sources, such as licensing agreements with other companies or from settlements in patent infringement cases. For example, a company that owns a patent for a new type of technology could earn royalties by licensing the technology to other companies for use in their products. Trademark royalties. Trademark royalties are payments made to individuals or companies for the use of their registered trademarks. These royalties can come from various sources, such as licensing agreements with other companies or from franchise fees. For example, a company that owns a popular brand could earn royalties by licensing the use of their trademark to other companies for use in their products. Number 10. Create and sell online courses. Creating and selling online courses can provide a passive income stream, as courses can be created once and sold repeatedly. For example, plan and design the course content. The first step to building an online course is to plan and design the course content. Start by identifying the topic you want to teach and outlining the key steps and skills you want your learners to master. Next, break the course content into modules and lessons and decide how you will deliver the content, such as through video lectures, text-based lessons, or interactive activities. Choose a platform and build the course website. The next step is to choose a platform to host and deliver your online course. There are many online course platforms available, such as Teachable, Udemy, and Thinkific, that offers tools to help you build and manage your course. Once you have chosen a platform, you can start building your course website by creating a landing page, setting up your course structure, and uploading your course content. It is important to note while these passive incomes can provide a steady stream of income, they still require initial investment and ongoing maintenance. Additionally, it is important to research and understand the risk associated with each investment before committing to them. Overall, diversifying one's passive income streams can provide financial stability and flexibility, allowing individuals to pursue their passions and goals without the constraints of traditional employment. This is Ace Wealth Raiser, and we'll see you next time.